Hi, I'm Marshall Cohen with Anthony and Cohen Immigration Law Group. For this installment of Immigration4U, I want to talk about what exactly is a green card. Many people talk about getting a green card and they equate getting a green card with lawful permanent resident status. But in reality, the green card is just evidence of lawful permanent resident status. A green card is not like a driver's license. If you don't have your driver's license, you're not a driver and you can't drive. If you're a lawful permanent resident and you lose your green card, you're still a lawful permanent resident. You just don't have evidence of it. Now, it is a misdemeanor to not have your green card with you, but that's not really enforced. Actually, I don't know when it's ever been enforced. But that just emphasizes the fact that the green card is evidence of your status and you need that to show that you have status. Now, a green card will get you into the United States. It will also get you into many other countries. The green card has the date that it was granted, that lawful permanent resident status was granted, and it will also have an expiration date. At the end of the expiration, or when the expiration date is reached, you need to ask immigration to replace the card. But again, you're still a lawful permanent resident, even though you don't have an actual green card or the green card you have has expired. So hopefully now people will know the difference between having a green card and being a lawful permanent resident.